And as we bring this year's Christmas concert to our viewers, let us reflect on the message of Christ's birth, a light that shone in Bethlehem and continues to shine in the hearts of all who believe. Here at Obispo Kingdom Preparatory School, our mission is to nurture the excellence in both education and character in our students. And tonight, our children beautifully portrayed the Christmas story. It is my hope that that same light that shone then will continue to shine in our students, will continue to shine in your heart. Our school is a family. Here, every child is given equal opportunity to thrive. Parents ask that you continue to partner with us. And tonight, let us pledge to continue to help our students, help our children to shine bright. This evening's concert has been a joyful celebration of learning, of culture, and faith. We extend heartfelt thanks to our chairman, to our board members, to the PTA president, Mr. Wallace. We thank you, sir, for reading the scripture and enriching our program. Put your hands together for Mr. Wallace and Mrs. Flowers, who read this. To our music teacher, Mr. Wright. Put your hands together for Mr. Wright. To our Spanish teacher and to our vice principal, Mrs. Grena. All three were responsible for choreographing the production. We thank our class teachers who assisted the students as they practice. And we also thank our teachers as they sang this evening, which was a beautiful edition. We thank our bursar, Mrs. Gurel. We thank our administrator, Ms. Marshall, who managed ticket sales. We thank Mrs. Dawkins, who helped to usher. We thank our dance teacher, Miss Stewart. Put your hands together for Miss Stewart. Every year, she was a great player. We thank our sound gentleman, Mr. Trevor Cooper. And ladies and gentlemen, we thank you for being here. We thank you for sitting out with us. We thank you for taking your children every year. Sometimes we can do it a little better, but we thank you that no matter what, you sit with us and we appreciate it. Thank you ever so much. Now we're going to invite Mrs. Graham to come and to do the first stanza of "We Wish You a Merry Christmas," and thereafter we will ask you to stand as we do the national anthem. Thank you again, ladies and gentlemen, for making Christmas concert 2025 at Obispo a joyful affair. Thank you ever so much. Mrs. Graham.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New
Happy